The tsunami waves arrive on Japan coast after earthquake in Russia, triggering the tsunami alerts for US west coast. The tsunami waves arrived on the eastern coast of Japan on Wednesday following a powerful earthquake of the eastern coast of Russia. The 8.8 magnitude earthquake triggered fears of a tsunami across much of the Pacific Ocean basin, including the shores of Hawaii, southern Alaska, the entire US West Coast, and British Columbia. The tsunami warnings are in effect of Hawaii and parts of Alaska and the US West Coast, while British Columbia is under a tsunami advisory after the earthquake struck just east of Petropavlovsk, Russia, according to Fox Weather. Several people were injured in the remote Russian region of the Kamchatka Peninsula, while much of Japan's eastern seaboard was ordered to evacuate. Today's earthquake was serious and the strongest in decades of tremors. Kamchatka government, Vladimir Solodov said in a video posted on Telegram, a tsunami with a height of 10 or 13 feet was recorded in parts of Kamchatka, according to Sergei Lebedev, regional minister for emergency situations. Several people underwent medical assistance after the earthquake. Oleg Melnikov, regional health minister, told TASS, a Russian-owned news agency. Unfortunately, there are some people injured during the seismic event. Some were hurt while running outside, and one patient jumped out of a window. A woman was also injured inside the new airport terminal, Melnikov said. All patients are currently in satisfactory condition and no serious injuries have been reported so far, he added. Russian Ministry of Emergency Services said the port in the Spalding town of Severodvinsk and a food processing plant in the area were partially flooded by a tsunami. People in the area have been evacuated. A kindergarten was also damaged, but most buildings withstood the earthquake and no fatalities were reported. The ministry said Japan's weather agency said it expected tsunami waves of up to 10 feet to reach large coastal areas. The tsunami alarms sounded in coastal towns across Japan's Pacific coast as authorities urged people to seek higher ground. Many people on the northern island of Hokkaido were seen on the roof of a building, sheltering under tents from the beating sun as fishing boats were removed from harbors to avoid potential damage from the waves, according to footage on the public broadcaster NHK. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.